මේ නෙළුම් පොකන ලස්සන මේ ස්ටේජ් එකේනේ. එතකොට ඒ වගේ බොරු කකුල ඒ කියන්නේ sorry heels දාගන්න එන්න බෑ කියලා කිව්වා. ඔන්න මල්ලි I have not නැත්නම් මට බෙනුම් හදන්න වෙයි. හරි. දැන් මෙහෙමයි. Hannah singer, darling, seriously, you stole the words out of not my heart, not my mind, but from my heart. මගේ ස්පීච් එක Hannah singer ඔයගොල්ලෝ එවෙලා හිටියා නේද ඉස්සෙල්ලා? මගේ මුළු ස්පීච් එක Hannah කියලා ඉවරයි. ඉතින් මට කියන්න දෙයක් මොකුත්ම නැහැ. හැබැයි I will take it from a personal standpoint. Hannah, you are absolutely right when you said everything that you had to say about our volunteers here. මට එකක් අනිවාර්ය කියන්න පුළුවන්. ඕන ડોක්ටර් එකට ගිහිල්ලා එහුවොත් කාටද තියෙන්නේ හොඳ හදවත? කාටද තියෙන්නේ හයිය? ඒ කියන්නේ who has the most strongest and the healthiest heart කියලා එහුවොත් I think every doctor here would definitely look at a scan and say, you know what, a volunteer's heart is the most beautiful and the most strongest of everybody, right? Anivaryama. So I know I'm half Indian, half Sri Lankan. I have not had the opportunity as an Indian in India to actually be a volunteer per se. I was too young then, and I didn't have the opportunity to mix with a lot of volunteers. Harida, the moment I stepped into Sri Lanka, I got pulled into the volunteer stream without I think I was at my lowest point in life when I had volunteers come and help me. For example, how do I say? 2013, I was under terrible depression. I was suicidal at that time. මගේ ජීවිතේ ඔක්කොම ඉවරයි කියලා මං හිතලා ඉන්නකොට අම්මා කෙනෙක් එයාට ළමයි 3 දෙනෙක් එයාගේ ගෙදර open කරලා she opened her home for me to look after me. ඒ කියන්නේ එයාගේ කාලය time, එයාගේ ශ්‍රමය, එයාගේ like Hannah said, she actually gave all of her spirit. She gave the most important of all her resources. Like she would give her own child, she nursed me back to health. She volunteered. එයාට ඒක කරන්න ඕනේ තිබුණේ නැහැ. හැබැයි මං වෙනුවෙන් වෙන human being වෙනුවෙන් වෙන් කරලා she actually built me up. She instilled confidence in me. ඒ වගේම එක්කෙනෙක් නෙමෙයි දෙන්නෙක් නෙමෙයි 3 දෙනෙක් නෙමෙයි ඒ වගේම ඒ ආන්ටිගේ ගෙදර ඉස්සරහා මේ අපේ නංගි මේ කොහෙන් හරි ඉන්නවද කොහෙද I remember she realized that I love cupcakes. She knew that okay, this girl was crying all the time, so she volunteered to bake beautiful colorful cupcakes and she said Aki make a kanda, you like it, you love it කියලා ඒ පින්තූර ටික ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා on Facebook if you guys want to go and see. 2013 හරිද 2013 කතාන්දර ඒ වගේම 2013 වල I know there are a lot of corporates, a lot of organizations here. You must understand that the role that you guys play as volunteers in a person who actually needs help. Harida, so at that time, in 2013, when I was like really low and I didn't know where to go and what to do, there were various organizations that came forward to help me by allowing me to be part of their volunteer initiatives. Like say for example, Apigia Sampur, Trincomalee to build homes for the poor. Evagema, I was given a stage like this to stand on and talk about the 30 human rights that all of us have. Mama Janagan hitiyane that I had 30 human rights. Mandanwa godak I'm sure a lot of people still don't realize that you actually have 30 human rights. So basically Mukadune as volunteers pulled me into their life stream. Into their life-giving stream. I started growing. I started becoming a more confident person. I started becoming a more compassionate person. I started becoming a more loving, understanding, a person full of self-control. And it built me up to a point where මට වැඩ දෙනවා නම් පූජා මේකට සල්ලි දෙනවා ඔය එනවද නැත්නම් පූජා මේකට සල්ලි නැහැ හැබැයි it's a very important cause කියලා කියනකොට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මගේ හදවතින් මට කියන්න පුළුවන් I will definitely choose the cause more than the one that's paying me money because that's how that's what happens to a volunteer's heart. So I want to thank all of you volunteers. Mama Devila, to actually thank you for uplifting me and bringing me to a place like this. I would not have been the puja that I am today, but for all of you. So a big applause and a big thank you to all of you, right? So with an attitude of gratitude, with a heart that's renewed, I would like to thank all of you, as well as, this is not a small request, I would say it's a big request to all the corporates. Please, Apita, I think I don't want something like this, something as beautiful as this to stop. We may not be able to recognize all the volunteers that are doing, acts of selfless service all over Sri Lanka, not just in Sri Lanka, in all the nations. I wish, we had a big enough platform to actually recognize and honor all of them, because they are the ones who inspire us to become better people, right? So I'm promising the corporates, maybe with the UN volunteers, V4 Hari from the office, I'm definitely going to be walking into your offices asking for funds very soon. So I'm just giving you a heads up on that. So thank you to all the corporates for coming here today, and Godak Stuti. And I remember these sentences because from age 4 to age 22 I was in a hostel, and you have heard all their stories. You have already seen the heart, you have felt it, you know what it's all about, right? I remember in the hostel, sister used to always say, I was brought up in a Catholic convent, so sister used to always say, do unto others what you would want others to do unto you. And she would say, Pooja, love your neighbor like how you love yourself. So for me, if somebody were to say, how would you describe a volunteer? I would just, use those two sentences and say, you guys, a manifestation of something not something like that, of a perfect, beautiful human being. So thank you. Godak Stuti, rombo 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 nandri, and rombo 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 loku adare. Thank you very much.